Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open Pine Editor in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the editor so you can start writing and testing your own Pine script code right inside your charts. Whether you're looking to create custom indicators, design strategies, or explore different ways to visualize data, the Pine Editor is a fantastic tool to take your charting to the next level. First, look to the right side of your TradingView chart. You'll see a vertical bar with a stack of icons, each opening different tools and panels. This is your quick access toolbar for things like watch lists, alerts, and more. It's designed to help you access everything you need without taking your eyes off the chart. Focus your attention near the bottom of this right-hand bar. You're looking for an icon that looks like a small pine tree. That tree-shaped icon is the shortcut to the Pine Editor. It's a simple yet powerful tool that will allow you to start coding directly in the platform. Once you spot it, click the pine tree icon. The moment you do, the Pine Editor will open, usually as a panel along the bottom of your screen. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a code window with line numbers and the label Pine Editor. This is where you can write, edit, and manage your Pine script code. The best part? Anything you write in here is instantly applied to your chart, so you can test your strategies or indicators in real time. No need to switch between tabs or programs. Everything stays in one place. Inside the editor, you can begin typing immediately. TradingView provides helpful syntax highlighting, making it easier to read your code, and basic auto-completion to speed up your workflow. These features are especially useful for beginners because they help reduce the chances of errors and make writing code feel more intuitive. If a default example script appears, that's normal. It's there to give you a starting point and show how scripts are structured. You can delete it and start fresh or modify it to experiment. For example, you could tweak the script to suit your needs and instantly see how the changes impact your chart. The Pine Editor is tied directly to the chart you have open, so anything you create here is designed to work with that price data. This is the place to build custom indicators, overlays, and strategies using Pine script. Even if you're just getting started, it's useful to type a simple line like a moving average function and see how the editor responds with color coding and hints. As you grow more comfortable, you can layer logic, inputs, and visual elements to tailor tools to your exact trading style. For Shopify store owners and beginners, this is a great way to test simple market strategies like moving averages, trend lines, and more advanced concepts as you progress in your learning. A quick tip: if the editor appears small, you can drag its top edge to resize the panel for more room. This allows you to have a larger workspace to write more complex code comfortably. If you don't immediately see the pine tree icon, make sure you're viewing a chart layout rather than a full-screen widget that hides side panels. Sometimes the layout can be compact, especially when using mobile devices or adjusting the screen size, so just check that you're in the right mode. Also, remember that Pine script runs on your chart data. It doesn't place trades with a broker by itself. Think of it as a powerful way to analyze, visualize, and test ideas before making decisions. You can use it to explore strategies, track indicators, and get an edge by visualizing market conditions in a customized way. And that's it. Find the pine tree icon on the right toolbar, click it, and the Pine Editor opens so you can start coding and applying your scripts to your chart data. You're ready to build. Whether you're testing simple strategies or developing custom indicators, the Pine Editor is a fantastic tool to improve your trading experience. Enjoy coding and exploring the endless possibilities within TradingView.